Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Mack's Public Land Hunting Outdoors. Today, we're going to use some Super Clean. Now, Super Clean sent me this free a long time ago. Wanted me to test it out, and I just been too busy to mess with it. And I didn't really have nothing to clean with. But now I've got this Honda tiller after using it on my garden this year. So we're going to clean it on that. What we're going to do is wet it first, spray this on there, let it sit a while, then rinse it off, and I'll show you the difference. Let's get busy. Let's see how good this stuff is. Let's look how dirty it is first. Close up. It's really dirty, especially right there. Not worried about the tines there. Okay, now to wash it off. See, this thing's a lot cleaner. Whole lot cleaner. Yep, guys, that was pretty easy. It was so filthy. But you see right now, this thing's clean as a whistle. At least the engine is. I'm not worried about the tines. Awesome. So anyway, guys, I'll put a link down in the description how to get this Super Clean. It works really well. I've got friends that have used it before, so I finally decided to use it. So anyway, check out the link like I said, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.